This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Adam Fernandez. First floor turnkey condo in desirable Southwest Cape Coral. Interior was painted recently. Also a new water heater installed along with new stacked washer and dryer. All you need is your suitcase and toothbrush and you're all set. Condo is usually very quiet according to the current owner. Outside noise is not heard with windows and doors shut. Hurricane ready with electric shutters. Pool is conveniently located next to the unit. Perfect condo to live in or rent out as it's conveniently located in Southwest Cape and close to restaurants and shopping. Short trip to Fort Myers Beach to enjoy the Florida sunshine. Note, the front door was damaged during the hurricane. An engineer has been over and the door will be replaced soon along with the roof and the stairs to the second floor unit. For more information, review the details below or contact Adam Fernandez at 708-309-0819.